Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to cancel NBA League Pass on YouTube TV. If you're finding that you're not using the League Pass as much as you thought you would, or maybe the season's over, and you want to stop those recurring payments, then this video is for you. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. It really helps the channel out. Alright, so let's get straight to it. Canceling your NBA League Pass subscription on YouTube TV is pretty straightforward. Here's what you need to do. First, you'll need to access YouTube TV through a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Unfortunately, you can't manage subscriptions directly within the YouTube TV app itself. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. On the Settings page, navigate to the Membership or Billing section. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on updates to YouTube TV's interface, but you're looking for the area that manages your subscriptions. You should now see a list of your subscriptions, including NBA League Pass. Find the NBA League Pass subscription and click on it. Look for an option to cancel membership or cancel subscription. Click on that. YouTube TV might try to persuade you to stay subscribed, perhaps by offering a discount. You can choose to accept or decline. If you still want to cancel, confirm your cancellation by clicking Cancel or Confirm Cancellation on the subsequent prompts. And that's it. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your NBA League Pass subscription has been canceled. You'll likely still have access to NBA League Pass until the end of your current billing cycle. Remember to check your email for a cancellation confirmation from YouTube TV. This serves as a record of your cancellation. If you encounter any issues during the cancellation process, you can always contact YouTube TV support for assistance. They're usually pretty helpful. So that's how you cancel NBA League Pass on YouTube TV. Hopefully, this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.